What's up, soldiers? Chris here, CaribbeanPod.com. I'm outside. When's the last time I said what's up, soldiers? It's been a minute. And I know this is a quick update I'm trying to do. I'm outside trying to do some shopping for new ingredients. So 3 things. 1, yes, I still do videos. I know YouTube isn't sending me notifications that I'm sending out new videos. They're suppressing me. Small thing. Yes, there are videos. 2, yes, the past 3 weeks there wasn't any videos because I've been caught up with Polly going to school, and it's been challenging, let's just say that, right? And 3, 16 years. We've been doing Caribbean Pod on YouTube for 16 years. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's been a pleasure having you all in my home with me, and I hope I can continue for the next 16 years if God spare life according to mommy. But anyways, 3 updates. Yes, I still do videos. 2 new videos coming from next week. I did take a 3-week break. And 3, thank you, 16 years. All right, I'm on.